that is automation system. Now I'm going to present my screen here. So this is our 11th practical of computer integrated manufacturing. So you can see here the title of practical number 11 is automation system, elements of automation system and their types and nature of controlling. So let us see what kind of hardwares, what kind of softwares and what kind of types we are going to deal today. So this is nothing but the definition of automation. You can see here. So what is meant by automation? Automation is defined as technology which accomplish a process without any human assistant. So as we can say that if there is a no human interference in the system, that particular system is called automated system or automatic system. So here it is briefly defined. This is the complete by using the program of instruction and the control systems. So if automation is having less human interference or minimal interference or zero interference, then it is called pure or total automation system. So we are going to see the need of automation system. So you can see because of the globalization, it is must to adopt the automation. Then the productivity, automation improves the productivity. Then the industrial automation become a solution business. So providing industrial automation for various kind of problem is now a solution business. Then reduce worker fatigue and effort or labor intensive operations. Such kind of problems are reduced by using the automation system, though these are the high costly systems, but such kind of needs are there. So it prevents the product or material from being damaged or destroyed. If the material is fragile or very delicate like glasses or any sheet metal work, then in kind of material handling there should be automation system. So it prevents non-conforming product from the shipment. So it takes the on responsibility of quality checking. So it is better to use the automation system for 100% inspection. Then it saves money. So why I'm saying that it saves money? Because if there is a machine which is working 24/7 and which is giving the 100% efficiency and giving the 100% accuracy, as per the comparison, if you want the 100% efficiency and the quality, then it is required highly skilled workers, and for that purpose we have to pay the money. So indirectly it saves money, and automation gives us the quality confirmation as well as the product improvement in production. So let us see the basic elements of automation system. So here you can see the basic elements in automation system. The first of all, and this flow diagram shows you the first element that you can see is power to operate the process. The all devices or the all subsystems are required power supply. So this is our main unit, or we can say it is the first element, power supply. You must have to supply the power for the program instruction device or hardware, then the control system hardware, then also you must have to provide the power for process. Okay, so the second basic element is called set of instruction of program or the instruction programs. In that particular devices we give input to the system, and after that the signals are forwarded to the control system. Then after, by the give and take process or the interference process, the processes happen with the help of closed loop or open loop system. So you can see here the third one, or the final basic element, that is control system, which actuates the instructions given by the program instruction or the feedback system also. So we can say it as a control system is a core to actuate the given instructions. Now we are going to see